everyone, today I will color with you one of my coloring books, which I put up on Etsy. You can see the link in the description. These are dolls that have faces as if they were real, and the task is simply to color selected items. As you can see, I started coloring with a blue bandana in her. Sometimes a little yellow cat may visit us here. Where are you, little one? I also colored the sleeves of the dress blue. Please subscribe, it will help the development of my channel. I colored the blouse with a metallic gold squeak. I finished the bandana, body ends, purple and the rest of the dress in shades of pink. Don't forget about the shoes. Oh, where is the cat? See you soon!